What's up, everybody? It's your boy TGK. This is the beginning of episode 4. This week's episode is a little different. It started out with some workouts with a couple of friends of mine, where we did, asked them some questions, got some feedback. So, they're sharing information with me, which also translates to you, anyone watching that wants to get any more information. And then it kind of turned into like a little travel vlog. So I hope you enjoy that. It workout then travel vlog. It's just kind of how the week went. So it's gonna be a very interesting vlog for sure, but I hope you enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get the vlog started. Now, to start this vlog off, I ended up going to work out with my buddies Dave and John, where they've been consistently working out for like the last 10 months, almost going on to a year. And they've really transformed their bodies from where they were when they first started to where they are now. And so I figured I'd work out with them, try to, peek into their brain and get them to speak on the things that work for them and see if any of those things could work for me or if any of those things could work for you. So I hope you enjoy this segment and hopefully you could get something from it. Let's go. So how long have you and John started working out? When did y'all start?
I would say consistently around October. We started around October, but then really lifting like around Christmas time.
And it's not even about coming every day, bro. It's just kind of like being committed to, and really committed to the hobby, bro.
Yeah.
Because it's like, there's times that I do not want to come. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to wake up early.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I'm just used to it.
Yeah, you find an excuse. Like if I don't have my bag ready in the morning, I'm like, that's my excuse. I'm not coming,
Yeah. Would y'all say that's like the biggest change is the diet?
Yeah, because the amount of time I spend cooking compared to sitting in drive-thrus, like I'll cook 5-6 times a week to get at least 12 to 14 meals that I made myself. I keep food at work to warm up. I spend more time in the grocery store than the fucking bar now. Cause you always run out of something. You go get a fucking load.
I gotta go today.
A grocery me too.
Nah, but for real though, advice. Don't lose hope, don't lose sight. You know what I'm saying? And even the goal, it probably isn't clear now, but just keep working. Working out is like, especially like pushing weights and stuff like that, it's like about like natural movement, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't do nothing crazy that's gonna like strain your muscles or like something weird a weird angle that'll like hurt your back or, anything like that. Know your limits and try them out. Say don't cheat yourself on your reps.
Yeah, for sure.
You know what I'm saying? It's like it's you against you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It don't matter. My man's right here like he's fucking pushing 300 and I'm like at 150.
It's the other way around, to be honest.
You know what I'm saying? It don't matter, bro. Like whenever I'm on a bench, bro, if I look to the right, bro, there's a 6'2" figure. You know what I'm saying? With 100-pound dumbbells pushing them, and then on the other side is like somebody else like squatting 450.
Yeah.
And it's if I compare myself to that, I ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get lost in it.
You're giving yourself a mental loss.
Yeah, I'm gonna get discouraged. Yeah, bro. And it's like, another word of advice, like get ready to buy new clothes and then never wear them again. Like that. For real, bro.
Yeah, and then your goals are changing because like my goal was this and it changed to that, which changed my body size, which changed, like you said, the clothes. Then you buy a shirt, a month later you try to wear it, it don't fit anymore.
No.
It fits big, loose, and you're like, damn. You start changing.
That one still got the tags on there like
You tell me a year ago that I was gonna walk in here with my thighs out. I'd say you're lying,
Ooh.
But now these ain't short enough.
Ended up hooping, but I didn't record shit, but a badass session. Hella badass session. All right, so this next segment, I ended up working out with my friend Gina. You can check her out on Instagram. All the stuff is going to be in the description below. She's very talented, man. She's a fitness competition athlete, model. She also can sing. She has a beautiful voice. So definitely check her out. I'm pretty sure she's going to have music and everything coming out. And she's still in these fitness competitions. So she does a lot of stuff, you know, just to, one, to keep her body in shape and also to stay in tune vocally. Like, to be able to have those two things be a predominant part of your life is pretty awesome. And so I was able to pick her brain as well, and she shared a little workout with me for y'all to enjoy. So let's go ahead and let's get into it.
So jump rope, we've been working on it.
Okay.
So try to look neutral, look straight instead of
Straight.
look down. Yeah.
It keeps hitting my head. So.
Yeah.
So what are the benefits of the jump rope that you would say for like people that are trying to get into fitness?
It's just good cardio. Keep your heart healthy. You can do it anywhere, anytime.
Okay. You had to see the beginning, but I was trash earlier.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, let's do it again.
He's also working with a baby jump rope, so he's doing really good.
in a bad knee that don't want to move.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's dope. So you do this before all your workouts?
Before, during actually, like during sets, like in between sets, I do jump rope.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good cardio.
Just keeps the heart rate going.
Yeah, and then it's like you're standing around, you know. It's like I feel like you need to be doing something. Like,
right.
so I'm like, let me.
Instead of like, oh, this is what's going on Twitter.
Instagram. Instead, just jump rope. Yeah.
Right.
It's literally just like basketball. You got to be like light on your toes, right?
Yeah.
It's literally the same thing.
Yeah. I like it. I definitely need
So
to.
if you're good at basketball, you will be good at jump roping.
Y'all hear that?
Yeah.
All the hoopers out there, if you good at basketball, you could be good at this too.
Let's shoot for 12.
12.
Okay.
All right.
And remember, look forward.
All right.
Look down. Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Nice and controlled. I like it. That's what I do in between sets.
Looks a lot better than mine for sure.
Do one foot, the other.
Oh, that's dope.
And then the double under, I was telling you I was trying to learn, which I can only do one.
Oh.
Yeah, almost got it.
There you go.
There we go.
That's dope. Oh.
Hey.
There we go. What would all right, so explain a circuit to me, because this is the first time I'm doing a circuit, or however we call it.
So this is gonna be a full body circuit. It's gonna run about like 20 minutes. We're gonna do deadlifts. We're gonna do farmer's walk. That works the whole body.
Okay.
A little bit of high plank, and then a little bit of push-ups. Are you good with push-ups?
Yeah.
Okay. And box jumps.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that 4 rounds.
Okay.
Okay. Done together.
That's
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go into a push-up. All the way down, all the way up. All the way down, all the way up. There you go. One more. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. That's circuit number 1.
holy shit.
How'd that feel? Good, right?
Yeah.
What's your heart rate at?
128.
Okay.
That was good.
Yeah. I feel like you can do higher box jumps. But let me know.
I could.
But right now you're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could jump higher than that, but it just.
Because you got your injury.
Yeah, I'm not trying to risk it too much.
All right. So we'll go in 60 seconds.
Oh, there's actually more space I can put in here. Right? Mm-hmm. So I took a day off yesterday to recover from all my muscle pains and muscle soreness. But today we're gonna go on a flight, going to hit Vegas real quick, and they're going to San Diego. So enjoy the B-roll. Let's go. Vegas, first leg of the flight, and then to San Diego after that. I've never had Shake Shack before. Let's get it. This is my very first time trying a Shake Shack burger, and I know this is a weight loss episode, but you can still eat what you want. It's just what you do, you know, over the course of a week. So less calories in, more calories out, but we're traveling today. So let's go ahead and try this out. I hear a lot about this. Oh wow, that's really good. The bun is soft as hell.
Don't hype it up too much.
The bun is soft and
Meat is tender.
meat is tender. The cheese is good. The bacon and the little red peppers. That was really good. That was really good. I'm really surprised by it.
You should try the hot dog.
Mm-hmm. It is up to the hype. We came in here with 20 bucks and we leaving off the first roll with 170. Cash that thing out. Cash that shit up. Collect. Yeah. We ain't playing around. We getting the fuck out of here. Second flight on the way to San Diego. Let's go. I'm tired. Just made it. San Diego. Time to get a rental. Lego. Seen this kind of plane before. That's pretty cool. Alright. Made it in San Diego. First time here. Never been before. Well, hopefully it's as awesome as everybody says it is. I've been here a few minutes in San Diego and people don't mind their own business here. Late night adventures.
And have been trained, as are all Marines, as basic riflemen.
also self-admittedly ain't been eating the best in San Diego, so I have to balance it out with some detox. Alright, I've heard so much about San Diego Zoo. I'm pumped to finally be here and experience it. And it started in 1916 to current. That's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, Junior. What's going on, Junior?
Damn, that boy big, yo.
He still wants to see you. Nothing big to call him.
That boy big. Chunky ass man. I see you, buddy. I see you. You're red. Mm-hmm. What do you call your turtle?
Carolina.
What?
Carolina.
Oh, there you go. That's what's gonna turn into if y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
When you're in the pool and don't want to move.
Hmm.
If we swim with them, they'll actually attack.
Oh shit. Feels like a Six Flags ride, yo. I don't know how comfortable. Oh, that's cool.
So then you come on this, but not on the Texas Giant with me. Sam, shut up. Oh,
I got called out. Look how nice this looks. I'm trying to record it and like see it in person, but I don't want to drop my phone. Guess that's the entire universe. Look at that scenery, yo.
Oh, it's a good thing I'm bringing my bucket hat because it flew off. Oh, thanks for reminding me. Mom, you want me to take a picture of you right now? Why didn't you say this? Are they trying to have babies?
Look, witch up, and that's how it looks dry, and that's how it looks wet. Yo, when I pulled up, he dead ass like turned to the side and looked at me. What's up, buddy?
Meow meow.
Look at these little ones. Oh, they're the babies. Are they? Of course, the San Diego Zoo has a squirrel. Look at little woo woos.
Here's just the baby. Yeah.
Look at that wagon. Like knocked out.
Where do you get rhino pellets?
Where do you get rhino? It will get negative really quickly, but I promise you there's some really cool, exciting things that we can talk about conversely. But the stats.
Oh, you woo woo. Look, there's a woo woo.
There's a cheetah right there.
There's a woo woo over here. And there's a cheetah over there.
It's all four of our stops. They put them 4 blocks.
Oh, we're so up close. And he had his eyes open not too long ago. Sometimes you gotta learn to appreciate things that you get to do that you didn't think you were gonna be able to do again. Shit. You would have told me 5 months ago I'd be in San Diego at the Coronado Beach, I wouldn't believe you. But this is a pretty dope sight to see, I ain't gonna lie. So far I've gotten 6 miles in, and I haven't ate the worst, so but just soaking this in, just gonna enjoy this moment, man. Get back to you. I'm doing my YouTube shit. Y'all chill out. Don't judge me. I thought that should have said Holly Whoop.
No, how do they say Hollywood?
Yeah. Taking a last minute trip to Universal. I'm gonna get on the Simpson ride this time. Let's go.
what remains of the neighborhood where Tom Cruise hangs out in the film. Purchased the plane. It was a retired commercial plane. It cost only $60,000, but to move it here, she moved it to.
Witness, speak now or you all get fried!
Whoa.
This is our turn.
Hey, listen. That's exactly how it does it. You fucking self-work.
Alright, I'm finna try this butter beer from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. That's damn, that was good. That was good. I ain't gonna lie.
Cheers.
I don't know what the hell is in here, but it's good. That looks dope. Ooh, Saint Laurent. That's right. Ooh, Chistella. Alright. Bon appetit. Let's see how good this shit is. So now we're back in Dallas. Now, would I say that this was a successful week of working out? No. But kind of like I said during the vlog, you just got to enjoy the process. You know, who knows next time I'm going to take a trip. And so I just kind of, you know, took the liberties and enjoy the food out there. I don't think I did too bad. I was averaging a lot of mileage walking. I was averaging about 6 to 7 miles a day. Pretty decent. So I think I matched my calories burned versus what I took in. It is what it is. All I know is once I'm back home, I know I can focus a lot better. And I just really wanted to enjoy that time away from home with family and really soak it all in and just enjoy it. I don't want to starve myself or hold myself back from eating something that I wanted to eat. So that's going to be it for episode 4. Episode 5 should be a dandy. Episode 5 should be a lot better physically for me than it was as far as how much I enjoyed episode 4. So hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyway, guys, it's been your boy TGK, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.